Alright guys, today we're going to start off by looking at the ES. As you can probably tell, today we had a pretty much range bound day, so it was pretty hard overall. However, we did have pretty good opportunities um, on both the ES and the NQ. However, overall it was pretty choppy. As you guys can see, there was a lot of wicks and very large opposing candles, and just it was kind of all over the place. Okay, also we did have high volume, as you can see, and so this is kind of one of the situations where it is a little harder to trade. Okay, however, looking at the end of day uh, balance, okay, we can see that value was established right here. Okay, and pretty much prices were just kind of being accepted at these levels. Nobody was really eager or too excited um, to get long here. Okay, as there was obviously some sellers still going on in this market, keeping the price in this area. Okay, however, we did leave a ledge right here. As you guys can see how it just kind of drops off from, you know, 4 wide to 1 wide. Okay, this means the auction isn't finished to the upside, meaning there are still buyers, okay, pushing up on this day, okay, or from this day. Okay, meaning we are likely to continue to the upside tomorrow. Um, Obviously at the open, okay, it is already up. Okay, as of now we're trading at 33.61, which is pretty much up here. Okay, however, if at the open we don't get any continuation, okay, we're gonna probably gap up. And if we don't get any continuation after the open, okay, expect a move back towards this balance area, this value. Okay, and so we are going to utilize value as our area, a line in the sand. Okay, obviously value area low right here. Inside it you expect rotation, outside it you expect continuation with high volume and acceptance at higher prices. Okay, that's pretty much it for the ES. We do have a gap here that we need to fill. Again, gaps are imbalances that like to be filled, so if we do trade inside it, you should see it going a little bit sideways, filling it in at least, before it continues going anywhere else. Okay, but overall we're bullish on the day. Okay, above this area, this price here, 33.46, we are bullish. Okay, below it, expect rotation and possibly a breakdown. Okay, to fill this gap right here. Okay, so if we get below here, expect the gap fill of this entire area right here. Okay, that's for the ES. Now let's take a look at the NQ. The ES had a little bit of a tail at the top here, which is not a bad sign. Okay, so the auction did establish itself on the NQ a little better. However, we closed pretty much at the highs of the day, okay, which is a pretty bullish sign. Okay, so we're going to use value just as in the ES as our reference levels. Okay, we also have a gap here, so mind the gap. Value area low right here, and then obviously up here you have value area high, which is going to be the line in the sand. Bullish above. Okay, now we have a swing high up here. There's really no other significant references above on the NQ, so it's pretty much open skies all the way up here to this imbalance. So really nothing to keep us too worried on the upside. But again, on the downside, we do have this little gap. Okay, we no longer need this. And then we have an imbalance down here. So we do have a little bit more of a reference zone down here. Okay, so if we do start trading down, prices are likely to be attracted towards these areas. Okay, but overall tomorrow we're looking to be bullish. Okay, as long as the open holds and we don't completely reject from the open. Now for the YM, should be the same idea. Okay, as you can see, we balanced out. Okay, means value was accepted here. Okay, we do have a gap, just as in the other three and other two pairs. Gap. Now again, value area is going to be a reference. Whenever it's a balanced day, you want to use value as a reference. Trend day, you use the point of control. And then value area low. And then just a swing high up here. And that's pretty much it. Again, same idea. Look for an open higher. It's trading at 27,600 already, so it's already kind of above um, yesterday's value already. So if we do open up here and we don't get any continuation at the open, or if we just kind of hang around, but we don't sell off or anything, we don't start coming back inside value, okay, everything should be good for the upside. Okay, if we start coming inside value, expect rotation, possibly a break lower to fill the gap. Okay, that's pretty much it. Again, pretty simple analysis, nothing too much to it. If you have any questions, let me know in the free chat room, and I'll try to answer as fast as I can. But yeah, thanks for watching.